Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 8 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finish the top and also we added this. Now we're going to continue working on this. Let's go back to our section and then we're going to add in the top area here, and then we will add the backsplash right about here. So now what we can do is go back to architecture, click on component drop down and model in place. Save your project and then generic model, press OK. This will be number 5. Extrusion, pick a plane, which is this wall, and then select rectangle, and we just need to add the one at the top like so. And then we just need to change the material. I want our material to be, let's go to wood first, and then let's add in a wood that we haven't used yet. So I'm gonna use this, and we want to make sure start is 0, and then here I think we're going to go over, we need to go over 450. So I think 600 is good. Click finish so that we can see it properly. So it will look like that. And then let's go back to section. And then let's create another extrusion. It will be in the same plane, which is this wall. And then now we're going to add a backsplash right about here. We just need to change this material to tile. So let's type in tile. And then let's use this bamboo tile for now. And then here's 0, and then we just need to put it at 10. Click finish and then finish. If we see it, we have a backing right here, and then let's add it on the side as well, right about here. Or actually we don't need to. I just want to finish now the island. So let's go to level 1, and then we can move this now because our island, we're gonna create the island. We're basically finished with the linear kitchen right here, and then we need to do the island now. Let's go and go back to architecture, click on component model in place, and then generic model, and then press OK. And then let's go and add an extrusion, and then we're going to add an island right here. So let's add in this for now, and then later on, this is the base, and then we're going to have an overhang so that we could add in somewhere here for our seating. And then here we just need to have more room here, and then room to enter right here. So 2500, and then here is 1000, and then we're going to add an overhang later on. Click finish, and then let's change this one to wood again, but a different wood. So let's use this 32C. Apply, OK, and then click Finish. I want to look at it. So good thing about here is the extrusion part. We could change that. We can even edit and then edit the extrusion. We could set it up to 900 so that it's the same height as the top right here. So click Finish. We have 900. We're still here. So we could do a void sweep. So create, select here, and then select void sweep. Pick the path. Let's pick this path right here. So all around. Click Finish. And then select here, modify sweep, and then edit profile, and then select this one. We're just going to add in a kick plate right here, make it 100, and then here let's make it 50. Click Finish, select this again, and then click Finish. Select Cut Geometry. Now it's cut. We're seeing what we're doing. Before we click Finish again, let's go to level 1, and then let's add an extrusion again. So this extrusion, I want to set this to pick plane and then the top of this. So now I want it from 0 to 25. And then the materials is supposed to be stone for the top. So click on stone. Just choose a different stone. Let's use marble. And then let's add it at the top right here. But let's go over because we need an overhang. Click Finish, and then Finish. If we see it in 3D, it will look like that. So that looks nice. We need to insert. So let's go to level 1. Go to Insert, Load Family. We need to go to Specialty Equipment, Domestic, Mid-Range, and then let's add in some electric. So let's add this one. Open, CM, and then let's add, so spacebar to rotate, and then let's add the cooktop right here in the middle. I don't want the label to show, so edit, uncheck here, and click apply. And then after that, I want to load the island range. So go back here, high end, and then we just need to look for so let's go back. So here, Hood Island. So let's open this and then CM, add it right about at the top. I don't want the label to show, edit, uncheck that. Apply, OK. And then this one, we need to go to section so that we could move it upwards because it's just hanging right there. So what we need to do is just use your arrow key going up like that. I usually just estimate this, so around this height, and then we could just extend this one afterwards. So just around here. We can delete the annotation line that we created earlier just for show so that we know where the floor will be, because this is will be minus 200 from the level, because um, that's the thickness of the floor that we're gonna use or we're gonna do. So the next thing we're gonna do is the chair. So load, go back to furniture, and then go to seating, and then we just need to use this chair, the stacking, and then CM, and then let's add the seating right here. And then let's move this one so that we have some space. And then now let's look at it like that. We could basically maybe edit the height. So for now, that will represent a bar stool height. So I'm just checking. So far we did everything correctly. Now what I'm planning to do is I just want to add the room name, so that we could finalize what we created. So I'm gonna use select here. Here we have move the stairs. We have a powder room right here. Playroom. We have dining area. We have the kitchen. We have the living area. We have driver, maid, and then their washroom, number 1. And then the breakfast, and then pantry. We could change this scale to 1:50. And then after that, let's go and change it. So usually capital, foyer, this one, we could just change this to outer room. Carport. Playroom. This will be our dining. So you could just put dining. And then let's move this one where it's been showing. And then let's stair. And then this will be the breakfast. We have a pantry. Living. We have a kitchen here. We have the drivers. We could call this washroom number 1. And then this will be the maid's room. So I like how it looks. Let's add in a window. So let's click on the wall, and then we're going to use curtain wall. Let's add the window right here. I'm going to flip this. I want it to be all the way to the top. So I'm going to add that one up to the second floor. Again, CS. Let's add a window here for our driver and then our main. Make sure this is the inside part. I want in the foyer, I want probably I could add 3 here or 2. Maybe we could just add 1 or sorry 2, and then let's just move it like that. And then again, we're going to add somewhere right here. And then the powder room, let's add it from the top. And then for the dining, obviously we need some windows right here so that we have some light that comes in, and then we will add right here as well. And then into the playroom as well, right here. And then now we just need to go to modify, cut geometry. So you need to select the window first, or sorry, the wall first, and then after that the window. In terms of height, don't worry about that yet. At the moment, it's cutting all the sides. And then if you see it, it's cutting on all of that. For now, that's fine. You don't need to worry about that. We will add the height later on. So for now, let's leave it like this. And then let's continue in the next video. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.